Hi, I'm going to show you how to integrate your data with Plecto. Okay, so let's go. Step number 1, click on data sources, and then at the top right corner, click on add new data source. Step number 2, choose the system that you want to integrate with. In this case, I'm going to be doing an example with HubSpot. It's good to know that each system has its own integration guide, which you can find in the Plecto Docs website. So if you look for the HubSpot integration guide, you will find a HubSpot one. If you're looking for the Salesforce one, for example, you will find one for Salesforce, one for Close, and so on. Once you finish reading that integration, get back here, select the system that you want to integrate with. Then you're going to be asked for your credentials. You need to enter them. You need to be an admin to be able to import data from your system to Plecto. Then you will get to step number 3, in which you need to choose all of the items that you want to import to Plecto. In this case, I'm going to be importing the calls data source or the calls items. You will be shown a little quick formula. So you just fill the required information, select the default date field, and just check all of the fields that you need to import to Plecto to do your formulas. Now you need to do that for all of the items that you need to import to Plecto, and that will be pretty much all. Then after you finish that, at the bottom right corner, click on Next, and then you'll get to step number 4. Let's just give it a little time. And here we are. You're being asked from which date do you want to start the import of the data that you have selected in the previous step. In this case, if I wanted to start importing the data from calls from January the 1st of 2022, then I just come here to this calendar and select the starting date of the import. Then after that, you click on import, and then you need to click on see my data, and congratulations, that will be pretty much all. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.